We could stumble like a wind in the wind, or we could scatter like a leaf in the storm, or we could stand like an oak and a love and a joy that the love of God. We could buckle like a breeze made of wind, or we could